Il est méchant. Il est très méchant. Il a une coupe de méchant. Ok. Épisode 2.
Dang it! I'm gonna be late for band practice.
Unexpected things happen every day.
Phenomenon! Can SDN help?
Ah, qu'il a l'air con.
It's blocking the driveway.
Oh, qu'il a l'air con, lui.
You can count on SDN to help lift the burdens life throws at us. Let SDN be your rock.
Il lit son
so
prompteur.
you can rock.
SDN is not an insurance company and does not cover damages to property, persons, or animals.
On dirait Magnum de fou.
Definitely not making it to band
C'est vrai qu'il y a une DA un peu Tom Selleck.
Wait, what's that?
Bonjour.
No, just the commercial. It was weird.
Weird. Yeah, right. Phenomenon man.
Phenomenon
Like a
man.
rock star.
Pardon.
It's, I'm joking, because of the rock and the roll. Cool. Cool commercial. I'm a Phenomenon fan, you might say. You could say that.
He's not the best actor, though, which was important for that commercial to be less, weird.
He is the best actor. Well, acting when there's danger. I think if the whole world is a play, then he's still awesome.
Can't argue that.
Oh, God. Okay. Yep, that's not right. That is not right. That is, yep, that is,
Just-
yeah.
Okay, let me help you.
Oh, no,
with
no, not necessary. I'm sure
It's soaked. You nervous? Big job interview.
No, I mean, yes, but yes is more... My powers make everything wet, moist. Water boy is how they call me, but yes, I am.
C'est Moistman. Oula. Ah, c'est. Ah. No Soul Silman. Flambé.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Now that your face is next to the side of my face, I see that I know
vrai qu'on
you.
est très
Both of
proches.
you. You're Mecha Man. You're dead, I thought.
Just on the inside.
You look small or different in person.
Never meet your heroes, kid.
Oh, wasn't sure you'd show up.
Oh, wow. Blazer, Juan, a real hero.
Oh, sorry, but I need it for something. Follow me. Take your clothes off.
What's happening right now?
We don't want too many people knowing you're Mecha Man. A lot of our dispatchers are former heroes, but it's better if you keep your identity a secret. We've had incidents in the past. Here,
Oh, l'enfer.
I remembered you being bigger. I was a little drunk. Listen, it's gonna be great.
I've never felt silly wearing this.
Hmm.
Until now.
Yeah, I was trying to imply that with the silence.
It worked. Get dressed. I have somebody I need you to meet.
J'aime beaucoup l'humour du jeu.
Oh, sorry. Should I turn around? Or what do you... should I close my eyes, maybe? If that makes you more comfortable.
It's fine, I don't mind.
Oh, yeah, no, it's... it's sure.
I mean, don't stare me straight in the eyes or anything, because that would be odd.
Yeah, I'll actually... Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Ouais.
There.
Ok.
It doesn't look like it, but I am flexing every muscle in my body right now.
Really?
Okay, well, you didn't have to say it like that.
I want to say again, I'm sorry about last night. I regret the way I conducted myself. It was a mistake. A complicated mistake.
Mais
I
oui.
can go into the details of those complications with you later.
Look, I'll
Oui.
take your lead. So if it's complicated or whatever, just, you know, let me know when it isn't. It was a nice night. Nothing more than that.
Yeah, I'd like to keep things professional.
Right, that's why you
bien
brought
sûr.
me to this conference room to strip down in front of you. Profesh.
Profesh.
Are you serious?
locks a conference room? So, you two fuck or what?
No professional lines were crossed.
All right. So just like grinding, clothes on stuff.
Knock it off. Just got a little tipsy at our meeting.
A meeting? Is that what it was?
Robert, this is Invisigal. She is part of the Phoenix.
Invisimeuf.
We
Les
take
traductions sont pas ouf, hein.
supervillains, such as herself, and rehabilitate them to re-enter society to use their powers for. Are those my earrings?
Oh, it looked better on me.
Invisigal, this is Robert. He'll be your team's dispatcher.
A washed-up dad bod superhero with no superpowers. Can't wait.
His identity, all of this, that's staying between us. He's still Mecha Man, but that can't get out. And if it does, I'll know who it came from.
You think I want to tell people our dispatcher's a fucking loser?
Look, you might think these are less than ideal circumstances, but it's something you need to get used to. When you're out in the field, even the best laid plans can fail. So, out there or in here, we do what we can.
Oui, oui.
Make the best of it.
Putain, je suis vénère là que ma molette elle marche plus, je peux pas
Oh,
baisser la
I'm
luminosité.
wet. I see why you like him. Look at that trip. What does that look? Best Buy Fight Club? Fucking hot.
We have a weekly ranking list for all the heroes in the company.
And she's at the bottom.
She called herself Invisibitch when she was a villain. We're trying to rebrand
On
her.
adore
Yeah,
Invisibitch.
I thought Invisigal felt kind of corny for her.
Oui.
The name was my idea. Just get your shirt on, Dad Bod.
Oui, Invisigal, non. Oh là là, quel enfer.
This is SDN. How can we help you?
We're not the highest profile branch in the network, but we've got what makes the real difference. Great people. Some of them aren't even people, and they're still great. One of the 3 copiers on this floor.
C'est tellement
fax,
étrange.
Scan does literally everything. Documentation. One of the 3 Ds at SDN. There tends to be a healthy amount of paperwork. I used to call it triple Ds, but I was informed that had a different connotation.
Oui. Triple D.
Dispatching.
Triple Dick.
Documentation. Diversity is the 3rd. Not in terms of priority, of course. Yep. We're all about diversity. Lana works in the mailroom. From a different galaxy altogether. And then there's Galen, way back there. Born with super hearing. He's from... Oh, I want to say...
Florida.
Florida! Of course. Florida man over there. Hey, easy on the bath salts.
That was one guy.
Hey, speaking of bath, where is the,
Oh, need a bio break?
excuse me?
Restroom.
Bio
I mean,
break.
It's right over there.
Ah là là, non, non, mais c'est l'enfer, c'est l'enfer, c'est l'enfer.
Corporate, Dick. Meet me in the records room when
Cet
you're done.
endroit est infernal.
If you get lost, look for the door that says records
J'ai envie de
room.
courir, de partir vite. J'ai des angoisses, quoi.
Bruh, I almost went in my pants. Hey, you this Robert people talking about? What's up, brother? My auntie named me Roy, but people call me Royd.
Bah, faut que je me fasse des amis dans la
Good to
société.
meet you, bruh.
Likewise.
Il a l'air très gentil, Royd, en plus.
So Royd, like steroid?
Huh? Hell no, brother. No, cuz. Listen,
Go,
listen.
brother.
There's 3 other guys here that go by the name Royd. So I think it's like, we go scrap, we go ground, I boss you up, and then, you got Royd. You know what I'm saying, bro? That's what I think. Hey, you think that's why
Un
they
gros
call me
pipi,
Royd?
hein.
Like I'm on steroids. Cause they think I'm some kind of a juice head. They think I'm not natty, bro. They think Royd's not natty.
No, I'm just kidding, man. Just making jokes about your name and the shitter.
Whatever. I don't care.
That's, yeah, Nokia is probably best. Nice meeting you, Royd, even if it was while we were both holding our dicks.
You one funny bugger. Mecha man.
Aïe, aïe, aïe.
Okay, so I was worried about your unwashed hand, but now I'm worried that everyone here knows who I am.
Nah, brother. It's Kapu. Need to know basis and Roy need to know. Other one will come pick up your soup or fix them for the SDN.
Cool. You gonna wash before you do that?
Nah, bro, I never touch nothing. Just touch my pants and underwear only.
Oui, c'est vrai qu'il était main free. Hein.
Can you show me again? I don't think I got it.
Holy shit, who's this freckle-faced fuck? How are you?
That's an aggressive way to greet someone.
Look at this skinny latte prick. Your bones, kid. You here to whip these assholes into shape or what?
That's the idea.
Oh, admittedly, I haven't had a hug in a while, but could you maybe not?
Faut être rapide hein, pour choisir.
Lighten up.
Be that
Tant qu'il n'y en a pas une branlette.
I'm still confused.
Oh, right, because I'm old as shit. How about this? This jog your memory?
Trackstar? Holy shit.
Yeah, you fucker. Why are you accepting hugs from old men you don't know? Oh, and hey, they call
Hey,
me
you
Chase
fucker.
around here, so keep it, you know.
Sure, right. Yeah, Chase.
It's been what, 10, 15 years?
Has it really been that long?
Yeah, I reached out to this little pissant when his dad passed. Then he got to ducking me like he owed me money.
I was in a weird place.
I understand, kid. It was tough on all of us, so I can't imagine what you went through.
Yeah, so what's up? You gonna tell me why you look like Black Einstein?
Sorry. I never noticed.
Fucker. It's the
J'ai
powers.
dit, hein. J'ai dit Einstein.
Move 50 times faster than the average person, but I didn't realize until it was too late. And I was aging 50 times faster when I used my powers.
Aïe.
Nowadays, I'm moving slower than frozen piss to keep the old ticker from popping on me.
I had no idea. I'm so sorry, Chase.
Hey, if I feel another ounce of pity from you, I will run you over in a parking lot and say it was an accident. They'll believe me because it looks like I'm wearing diapers.
So I guess this means you're the one person I can't complain to about losing my suit.
You better not. I would resurrect and re-kill your fucking father in front of you if it meant being able to use my powers again.
Jesus, Chase.
Wow.
What? Obviously, I'd let Robert have one last "I love you" before I extinguished the light from his eyes.
Was he always like this?
Yes, actually.
We joke, we laugh, we suppress our trauma. All right, enough of this feeling shit. Let's introduce you to your team of losers.
Est-ce qu'on adore Chase ou est-ce que c'est en fait un méchant? Ah.
Now, if I'm being honest, I thought
Elle, je me méfie un peu quand même.
these tunas months ago.
And you might get your wish. Because if we don't see improvements soon, the whole program will be scrapped.
Cool. No pressure.
Sonar here was a
Alors.
Harvard graduate who
Who will not shut the fuck up about being a Harvard graduate like all
Sonar est un peu intelligent.
also orchestrated some of the most effective Silicon Valley investment frauds in U.S. history.
Ah.
Also, sometimes he transforms into a fucking bat monster.
Il a
that would
deux
beat you ass
formes.
first after
En
he
chauve-souris, il est plus fort. Et en humain, il est plus intelligent. Ok. Ah putain.
Flambe. He's
Flambé.
Flame and his skin does not burn?
Right, you met him. Didn't you ever run in with him years back?
I did. Yeah.
So you know he's a certifiable dickhead.
Ah. Attends, je vais juste revoir lui. Intellectuel et hybride. Lui, feu et combattant. Ah putain, il y a des numéros. Ah bah oui, bah ça c'est bien ça. Donc lui, il a de la force et il court vite. Un Visigirl.
Invisigal, who you met. Turned herself in a few months ago and entered the program on the condition we didn't
Beaucoup la
ask
musique.
questions.
That's a little suspicious, no?
Suspicious, really? Of a criminal that turns invisible and doesn't like to answer questions? What tip
Voleuse et solitaire. Elle est plutôt balèze en combat et en mobilité.
Here we have coupé, which
Coupé.
learned is a French ballet term
Elle-
that means to cut.
Elle est cute, hein.
That's very
Elle nous a
clever.
fait un petit
Yeah,
wink
but it
wink au
sounds
bar.
dumb to say, so everybody calls her Coop.
Shadow,
She was
assassin.
assassin for the mob. They
Donc
went
très
independent.
mobile, forte en bagarre, intelligente. Oh. Oh là là, mais il y a toute leur... Alors, excusez-moi. Donc, il a 32 ans, Sonar. Fraude souris. Parce qu'on aime bien les jeux de mots ici. Hein. 1m83, physiologie de chauve-souris, vol. Né à San Francisco, en Californie, se transforme en chauve-souris géante, très intelligent, accro à diverses substances illicites. Pas très joli ça, Sonar, va falloir régler ça, on va discuter ensemble. Crime, détournement, chantage, possession de drogue, contrefaçon, fraude, blanchiment d'argent, parjure, cyberharcèlement. Quelqu'un de charmant. Alors lui, 1m93, pyrokinésie, invulnérabilité au feu, pyropropulsion, né à Herat en Afghanistan. Colérique, sans surprise, pyromane, a conçu sa propre tenue. Crime, incendie volontaire, agression, vandalisme. Elle a 27 ans, 1m68, capacité invisibilité, combat rapproché. Los Angeles, Californie. On peut devenir invisible quand elle veut, mais uniquement en retenant son souffle. Asthmatique, désagréable, distante. Crime, agression, larcin, vol. C'est cool d'avoir les backstories. Coupé, on ne connaît pas son âge, une mercenaire sans pitié, 1m78. Capacité, arbre, imbrakinétique, vol imbrakinétique, précision surhumaine. Née à inconnu, mystérieuse, mortelle et farouche. Nombre de victimes inconnues, comme beaucoup de choses à son sujet. Crime, agression armée, chantage, assassinat, enlèvement, harcèlement. Let's go. Coupé. Donc lui, on l'avait tout à l'heure.
Powerful strong man who made a deal with a sorceress. She gave him the strength of 10 men. His muscles grew, but his body shrunk.
He's got all the charming brains of a greasy bowling ball.
Il mesure 1 mètre tout pile. Oh là là, Courpif. Courpif, t'as de la vigueur et du charisme. Allez, ça c'est la moustache, ça. Poids mouche, bagarreur. Ah oui, il est fort à la bagarre. C'est un tank, quoi, en gros. Lui, il va tanker. Capacité. Pycnokinésie. Force et résistance surhumaine. Immunité à la douleur. Né à Galway en Irlande. Possède la force de 10 hommes et la moitié de la taille d'un seul. Agression, violation de liberté conditionnelle, ivresse sur voie publique, meurtre quand même. Ok. Ensuite.
Malevola. Terrifying. She's got a magic sword, and she creates portals that allow her to teleport.
Somehow she's still late for every fucking meeting.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does that on purpose.
Alors, Malévola. Malévola, c'est une sorcière et un mi-démon. Forte en charisme et en combat. 33 ans, 2 mètres, 00666. Physiologie démoniaque. Création de portail. Absorption de force vitale. Transfert de blessure. On l'aime bien, elle est forte. Née à inconnu. Possède une queue préhensible. Marraine de sonar chez les NA. Athée, fan de documentaires criminels. Crime, agression, cambriolage, chantage, contrefaçon, enlèvement, meurtre. Putain, ils ont tous tué, en fait. C'est tous des meurtriers. Oh, moi aussi, hein, j'ai tué les otages en choisissant mal mes trucs. C'est dur, hein.
That's Golem.
Golem.
He's a construct.
A construct?
Yeah. Bunch of dirt and mud made sentient with magic. I think he's lonely.
Il est protecteur et polyvalent. Effectivement, il a une belle vigueur. Il a un beau shield. Il a 20 ans. Oh, bébou. 2m31. Capacité, corps morphologique, mimétisme terrestre, guérison régénérative. Né à inconnu, grande masse d'argile et de terre, aime la poésie et le basketball, a du mal à passer les portes. Crime, complicité, trouble à l'ordre public, vandalisme. C'est un gentil golem.
Prism, Michigan born and raised. Her power is weird. She weaponizes light rays or some shit. A lot of this stuff is a guess.
Why does she dress like a pop star?
She's actually super talented.
C'est Anna Montana. Alors, Prisme, Mirage lumineux, c'est une pop star illusionniste. Elle a 26 ans, mesure 1m63, photokinésie, photoionisation, manipulation holographique. Née à Flint dans le Michigan. 1,3 million de followers, let's go! Snob musical, très dramatique, demande constamment à retourner dans sa caravane. Can I go back to my trailer? Agression, possession de drogue, conduite en état d'ivresse et fraude fiscale. C'est pas joli ça, la fraude fiscale. Ok. Bon, eh bien on a notre petite équipe. Eh ben...
Wait, so the Z team, my team, their Phoenix program?
That is correct.
Your own motley crew of dangerous fuck-ups.
We're not looking for miracles, but we'd love one if we could get it. Can you show him his desk?
Sure. What's that arm squeeze about?
You want one? Here.
Fuck off. This is you. Pretty sparse, but feel free to decorate.
On va ressortir le micro. Login R.Robertson. Mais du coup, tout le monde connaît mon nom.
This computer's older than you look. Wait, so we're doing this? I haven't even met the team yet.
We did the slideshow.
First of all, that wasn't a slideshow.
Look, we like to start slow. Most people don't make it past the first dispatch. And this is better for everybody's safety.
What do you mean, safety?
You'll be fine. And this here is our little slice of the Southland. Whenever there's a crisis in the area, we get a call, and guess who answers?
Me.
Exactly. Now put your headset on and introduce yourself to these pricks.
Hey, team. This is your dispatcher, Robert Robertson. I'm starting my first shift.
Tell me that's not your real first name, bitch. You can't be this shook on your first day. Come on.
Can we clear the channel, please? There's a lot of overlapping on this.
I saw him in his underwear.
Who? Roberto son?
I saw him in his underwear.
He back in mine.
Oh, but he's got a lot of bruises, which I'm into.
Again, please clear the channel.
Get it, your email.
Shut the fuck up! Let me remind you, these calls are fucking recorded for training fucking purposes. So keep the fucking line clear before we send your stupid fucking asses back to whatever fucking cell we pulled your stupid fucking asses out of. Alright?
Alors.
Someone
Oh.
is stuck in a tree. Can you send someone?
Alors, grimper, il faut de l'agilité. Oh, on va envoyer Flambeau faire les trucs nuls. Ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Ah, faut quelqu'un d'un peu gentil. Merde. Lui, il a pas beaucoup de mobilité. Elle! Elle a pas beaucoup de mobilité non plus. J'ai le temps pour choisir, j'espère. Ne pas faire pleurer l'enfant. Grimper. Vas-y, on envoie lui. Allez.
I'm fucking going.
Ouais, ouais.
Somebody's about to get burnt. And it's not me.
Alors, un événement très important, très médiatisé. Quelqu'un qui fera une bonne image. Bah, On va envoyer Charisme Girl. Allez.
I'm already going. I'll take Wednesday.
Tuesday. Dibs on Monday.
What are you guys talking about?
We're taking bets on when you'll quit.
Ah.
Friday?
Today's Friday.
Oh, Golem.
I know.
Alors, est-ce que t'as réussi, du con? Oui, c'est bon.
No contest.
J'effectue un dispatching parfait avec un seul héros.
Wow.
Ok.
You're on fire today.
Oh, this? I'm just warming up.
Après une réussite, Flambeau gagne +1 en combat et +1 en mobilité. Oh merde, je l'ai avantagé. Cet effet se cumule, les bonus sont réinitialisés après un échec. Ok. Qu'est-ce que c'est que ça?
Oh my god! A pipe of Deus spraying shit everywhere!
Bah oui, bien sûr, je peux pirater. Ça, je sais faire, j'espère que ça va pas perdre du temps sur le truc. Ok, piratage.
Let's see if I can do this.
Ok, je peux pas choisir, ok. Facile. Ok. Et toi? Oui, ça passe. Let's go.
What's this guy even famous for? Seemed like a loser to me.
Laugh all you want. Someday, my subconscious will live on in a chip. In your subconscious, we'll be dead. Cringe.
Il est très cringe. Bagarre.
Get these idiots out of my bar before they destroy it. And don't send the flaming asshole.
Do you know who we saw in the
Ça.
bar last night? Mecha Man.
And he kicked Flambe's ass. Okay. That little shit did not kick my ass.
Faut vraiment pas qu'il sache qui je suis.
Yeah, I think I heard about that.
No,
Ah.
you didn't. Because it didn't happen, Bob. So we're all going to
Toi.
shut up about it. Yeah? Okay.
On va vous envoyer tous les deux. Ok, j'espère que ça va aller.
What a fucking beautiful day.
Ok. SDN, bonjour. Vol de bateau. Poursuivre et restituer le bateau en un seul morceau. Il faut quelqu'un de très mobile. Attends. Non. Oui? Merde, je l'ai pas envoyé elle, j'ai envoyé que lui. Oh zut. Ah. Vas-y. Allez.
So what was your read on this Mecha Man guy?
Washed up, drinking alone. A robot guy without his robot, I guess.
Alors, ces studios se battent pour le nom de Fightman. Des idées de nouveaux noms pour aider?
All of you.
Ouais, devenez un duo. Ils ont clairement détesté ces noms. Merde. Vas-y, concours de boissons. C'est bon.
I think I'm gonna
Ah
use
non!
my head.
Il est blessé! Oh non! Courpif ne reçoit aucun malus de blessure, il ne peut pas tomber à terre. Ah! Donc il n'est pas blessé. Ok, ok. Barre démolie. Aïe aïe aïe. Ah ouais, non mais quand tu loupes un truc...
You're off route.
Il est où l'autre? Incendie en... Mais...
Fire at a local park has gotten out of control.
Did you start that fire? The fire that's burning 2 blocks
Solide
from
pour
where
éviter
you're
d'autres dégâts.
standing. You didn't start that.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm on break, so how could I know?
Vite.
Flambe, stop fucking around. I've got enough
Ah
problems.
mais il me faut toi quand même hein.
Whatever, man.
Hey, anybody got eyes on some garbage?
Attends.
I'm starving.
Hi. Ah putain!
Punch-Up can't know about this. He'll tease me for weeks.
Alors.
Hey,
Cambriolage au musée. Merde, j'aurais bien mis là.
what you do, man. I just started today.
Éviter les capteurs. Ah. Ok.
On it.
Ah d'accord, j'ai compris. Quand on envoie 2,
No problemo.
ça augmente les stats totales. Ok. SDN, bonjour.
SDN hiring criminals to protect us?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Éduquer l'entre-dieu sur le programme A. Lui prouver qu'il a tort. Bon, on va mettre elle. Pardon. Bah ouais, c'est elle qui a le plus de charisme. Charisma.
Going now.
Oh là là. Ah mince. Comment éviter les capteurs? Ah, pirate, hein. Ça, je m'en occupe, ça, j'en fais mon affaire. Ah oui, il y a une jauge de temps en haut. OMG. Allez, je vais éternuer. OMG. Pardon. Ok, hard focus, hard focus. Fort focus. Allez, ok, c'est le dernier. Let's go! Termine un niveau de piratage avec au moins un tiers du minuteur.
All sensors are back up, team.
Du gâteau!
Okay, what's going on with sonar?
Oh, that, yeah. He kind of randomly turns into a monster sometimes.
Ah!
Randomly.
We are working on controlling it.
Ok. Très bien. Le fait incontrôlable. Il est fait de boue. Il va peut-être cuire, non? La lance à eau? La lance à eau. Il est en argile, hein? Non. Ah putain.
We've encountered these thieves before.
Compiler et croiser les autres vols. Localiser les membres connus pour... Il faut de l'intelligence, là. Ils sont tous teubés, quoi. Putain, c'est eux les deux plus malins?
Cool.
Cool. Oh shit, that gym went out of business. They had the best towels.
Putain, mais la ville brûle, là.
Tragic.
Non, c'est bon. Allez, ça rentre, ça passe, ça passe, ça passe. Ok.
And I'ma stay winning too.
I said what I said. Hey, c'est encore moi, Galen. Aurore m'a demandé de te montrer les ficelles, alors me voilà. Tiens, un héros est monté d'un rang, bien joué. Consulte la base de données. Ok. Je ne sais pas quel est ce bouton.
Now navigate to the new
Ok.
upgrade tab. Every rank up earns skill points.
Chaque niveau confère des points de compétence. Permettent d'augmenter les stats. Ok.
Use the plus icon next to a stat to spend a skill point. Once you confirm, you can't go back.
Ok. Merde. Et que Prisme qui avait une amélioration. Alors. Qu'est-ce qu'on fait pour elle? Elle est pas mal en bagarre quand même et en charisme. On va lui rajouter de la mobilité, je pense. Pas mal ça. Pour l'équilibrer. Ou alors, on lui rajoute plus de charisme. Vas-y, plus de charisme. Donc lui, on a un de ses pouvoirs connus. Ok. Et lui aussi. Il se transforme en revenant d'une mission et inverse ses stats. Ok. Ok, let's go. Ça brûle, hein? Wow. Ce serait bien le diable que ça ne passe pas. Ok, let's go.
Hey, Bobby. Here, William Vandersnake needs a security detail. Is it cool if I go? I've been wanting to pitch him some stuff I've been working on.
Yeah, pretty sure that's exactly what he's trying to avoid.
Dans certains cas, il faut faire un choix. Je sais pas, j'ai pas compris. Alors, envoyer sonar sécurisé.
I'm a high-ranking Vanderstanker. It would mean a lot.
Bah oui, j'ai cru comprendre. Essaye de regarder les deux missions. Quand tu enverras un héros, l'autre option disparaîtra. Laissez Sonar rencontrer son héros et lui pitcher ses idées. Oui.
We're going to need you to protect Mr.
Ah,
Vanderstank
ok.
from the Vanderstanker fan club.
Protéger et empêcher les fans fervents. Oh, même Sonar. De toute façon, j'ai choisi, hein. Allez. Voyons voir.
Sure. Go ahead.
Thanks, man. You will not regret this.
SDN, bonjour.
I think I would until you said that.
Un gars m'a volé. Retrouver le pickpocket, l'encourager à se reprendre en main. Donc quelqu'un de vivace et qui sait parler. Elle est pas mal. Elle est vivace et charismatique. Allez. Bah oui! Je pouvais pas y aller depuis tout à l'heure.
We need to evacuate.
Évacuer. Avec lui, ils pourront bien protéger. Vas-y. On te renvoie sur ton incendie. Alors, Sonar commence à stresser, doute de son pitch de substitut vient du men. Que devrait-il faire? Évoquer une histoire attachante. Mais oui, le storytelling.
You know, tell a story.
I've got a great story.
Ça rentre pas. Si, ça rentre. Let's go. Bravo. Oh, je suis fier de mes petits, dites donc.
Everybody should step back.
Localiser les œuvres volées. Ok, je vais parler. Je vais juste passer un marché. La planque est bien protégée, il faudra faire preuve de discrétion et utiliser l'environnement. Elle est invisible. Hop.
Okay.
Pff, Et elle.
Graceful, but deadly.
En pointe. Pour l'émission à 2 emplacements, Coupé gagne +1 en combat si elle est sur le premier emplacement et +1 en mobilité si elle est sur le second. Ok. Putain, faut le savoir ça. Donc si je veux qu'elle bastonne, je la mets en premier. Si je veux qu'elle soit mobile, comme là c'est parfait, je la mets en 2. Let's go GG. Alors... Je vais tous les rendre archi charismatiques. Non, il me faut quelqu'un d'un peu futé. En chauve-souris, t'es un peu con. Non, faut que t'aies un peu de vigueur, mon pauvre. Allez. Ok. Donc... Allez-y.
How long was the last dispatcher here?
2 days. New record.
How the fuck did that happen?
I set this car on fire. Yeah. Very flammable. Kia Soul.
Alors, ils ont arrêté le gamin, mais ils savent pas quoi faire d'un voleur de 12 ans. Fait peur aux gamins. Pardon. Oh, j'ai envie de tester ça. Hein.
Scare the kids straight. That should teach them a lesson.
I mean, scaring children obviously my favorite part of the job. Killing it.
Let's go. Et du coup... Elle... On va lui donner un peu d'intelligence. Alors, une famille est prise au piège dans sa maison. Nous devons les secourir. Roule-toi sur les flammes. Si... Je pense que s'il me propose ça... Stop, drop and roll, bien sûr. Mais oui, faut utiliser leur capacité. Perturbation. Il y a beaucoup de voleurs dans cette planque. Comment l'équipe doit-elle procéder? Fais sortir les tableaux en silence. Élimine les voleurs, pas les œuvres d'art. Comme ça, on sera tranquille. Hein. Vas-y.
Take down the thieves, not the art.
I cannot make any promises.
Ok. Let's go, girls team. Alors, un Visimeuf. Un Visimeuf, c'est catastrophique ton charisme. On va, faut. Ok. Ok. Et. C'est bon, personne d'autre? Ok. Allez, tout le monde rentre. Really?
Grannies, I got this.
Hold up, aren't you banned?
Yeah, and I gotta get unbanned.
Bah écoute, d'accord.
Helping people is kinda nice. When you get paid for it. Trust me.
Lorsqu'elle est envoyée seule, un Visimeuf réduit le temps de trajet et le temps de complétion. Ok, elle est forte. Coucou Raz, comment ça va? Spatch. Allez. Ok, donc elle, faut l'envoyer toute seule.
What does that mean?
She's asking for a tap-in. We got access to security cams of SDN subscribers all over our territory.
Wow.
Ok.
Really? Is that legal?
Don't ask questions.
Pas vraiment.
Just always make sure to read the fine print.
Right, I feel like you've said that a lot in your life. What happened?
Ça va, Raz?
This is how I found the place. The old guy, who I assume is Granny, was laying here when I walked in. Hey, what's your favorite donut?
Look, can you just focus? What, you got ADHD or something?
Yes, fucker. Is it that obvious?
Yes, fucker, it is.
Well, then answer the question. I don't want to sit here and fixate on it when we're supposed to be doing whatever, superhero shit.
Just a plain-ass glazed donut. You happy?
Glacé, ils veulent le glaçage. Ça roule, merci Raz de Lurk.
Yep, you got me. Gobbling on hot, sloppy donuts. Love them from my mouth to my butt. How's it going? First day. Thanks for asking.
Mais il s'en sort très bien.
You could get all your funny jokes out. Now, can we maybe address the body in the room? What are you doing? You gonna poke it with a stick?
Check his pulse.
Granny's alive. Thank Christ. I didn't want to have to lip this guy. So, can I go now?
Non, je voulais pas le soulever, elle a dit pas.
Let's figure out the perp is still there.
Perp, B&E.
Okay, Lieutenant. Fuck, I can't think of a character from a cop show.
Cool. Well, why don't you stay put and work on that while I get another camera up online?
She's my least favorite. The worst of the lot.
That surprises me. You guys got similar energy. How do I switch cameras?
Just click the side here and you can cycle all the cameras in the building.
It's weird getting tech advice from an old person.
Bro, I'm not even 40 yet.
Weird hearing bro from an old person.
Lieutenant Dan?
Lieutenant Dan!
Legless Vietnam vet from Forrest Gump. Sick burn.
I get the reference. Ah, va falloir pirater.
Am I doing something wrong?
Oh.
Pushing that button just says access denied.
Ah, damn it. Sometimes people add extra security. They don't understand it just makes it harder for us to do our job.
Hey, what's taking so long? Are you sleeping or something, or are you just bad at your job?
Juste, je code en fait. Allez. Ah, j'ai le temps là. Ok. Ah, ça dépend des moments. Pardon.
Why does a donut shop even need extra security?
Hello?
Ugh.
This node has an unknown code. Find the key. This node represents a code to use later. Remember it.
Au bas, gauche, gauche. Au bas, gauche, gauche. Let's go.
Alright, what do we got here?
Perp, Beanie, who are you, Lieutenant Dan?
Hey, shut up for a sec, you're not alone. He's coming your way, armed. You need to disappear.
Why are you whispering, you idiot? You're in my ear.
Il est méchant. Il est très méchant. Il a une coupe de méchant.
God damn it, this bitch is a gusher.
Be careful.
I got this, Lieutenant Dan. Never mind.
Il faut qu'elle retienne sa respiration pour faire ça. Et elle est asthmatique alors. Bah prends son autre truc, Michette. Ah oui, mais les tâches, ça se voit.
Shit.
Invisibitch. J'adore Invisibitch.
Just hold him off while I find a way to help.
Alright.
I can use the overhead sprinklers to short out his blaster.
Ok.
Come on, come on, come on. Got him.
Bah non. Ok. Ok. Partie 2. Gauche haut. Merde. Gauche haut. Au bas 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 gauche haut. Let's go. Let's go. Pchit 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 pchit. Nope. Je me ressors du café. Ish. Oh non. Ok. Y'a un copain qui est venu l'aider. Oh, mais oui,
You
mais...
know how to use that thing, so why don't you...
Shut the fuck up!
Oh, I'm one of the good guys.
You? Yeah, right. Don't fuck with me, okay? Nobody fucks Granny! Nobody fucks with Granny!
Invisigal, stay calm.
Great fucking advice, Lieutenant Dan.
Stop calling me Lieutenant Dan, because the joke doesn't
Allez, j'élimine le voleur.
Granny doesn't even know how to shoot that thing. Take out the thief first. He's the only one with his finger on the trigger.
Ah mais c'est ce qu'il lui dit, je suis bête, c'est ce que j'ai choisi.
I'm done listening to you.
Ah.
That thing's gonna blow that man's
Arm off, and there's a whole building with me in it. Fuck off, I'm disarming the device.
No,
Okay.
Invisigal, that's a direct order.
Aïe.
Oh, fuck. Fuck. Invisigal, you there? Come in.
Il a le cul à l'air, oh là là.
Fuck, this guy's heavy. Granny's clearly a fan of his own work. Oh, really wasn't expecting to see that. His kinda caked up. So where's the perp, Lieutenant?
I think he must have had something else to do, because he left.
I mean, this is why you have insurance, right?
Jesus Christ, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
This feels like a win to me.
That was pretty good for first day.
Bah grave.
Sometimes people, you know, get electrical burns.
She disobeyed a direct order.
Well, that's the problem. This isn't the army, and these ain't soldiers. They're fucking supervillains. Look, why don't
Fuck
you take a
you.
breather? We can debrief with Blazer in a bit. Here, there's vending machines in the break room. You look like you could use a snack.
Are you sure you're not actually 80
Un peu
years old?
mignon. De ouf. Va te chercher un petit bonbon, mon petit, t'as bien travaillé. 13 missions, 10 réussites. Ah, raté, c'est celle que j'ai pas vue du tout. Ok, je suis en pause. Je peux ranger le micro. J'ai gagné un objet pharmacie plus un point aléatoire. Ok. Montrer les compétences. Mets fin au repos d'un... Ok, trop bien. D'un héros. Ah, j'ai besoin qu'ils prennent un peu d'intelligence. Hein. Ah, c'est moi qui choisis qui va gagner de l'intelligence. Alors... Prisme, ça pourrait lui servir d'être un peu plus maligne. Non mais lui, il fout le feu partout. Lui, je vais jamais l'envoyer nulle part. Hein. Ok. Twinkies. Oh.
Hey.
Ah, shit.
What kind of superhero flinches? I didn't say which superhero. Chill out.
If you had people trying to kill you for the last 15 years, you'd be jumpy too.
What makes you think my life has been any different? You think growing up surrounded by a bunch of shitbag villains, I didn't need to watch my back?
I can't just disappear, okay? I actually have to face my problems.
What the fuck?
You can't just go around. Ow! Why does he keep screaming?
His name's Sonar.
Yeah, I know what sonar means.
What's up?
Then why are you asking why he keeps screaming?
She was just explaining your, you know what? Never mind. Good shift.
This guy's weird.
Yeah, he is. Look, I actually just came by to celebrate the mission going well. Didn't mean to interrupt your little snack. What, do you need a pre-chew like a little baby bird, bitch?
You seriously think that went well?
No, I think it went great.
You trashed the place. The suspect got away. You got the client hurt. You think when that guy signed up for
Faut que j'arrive
it'd result in the back
à me mettre bien avec mes petits.
Because they don't mention that in the commercials.
First of all, the place was trashed when I got there.
Ça, c'est vrai.
Second, I'm sure Granny would take some crispy nuts over losing his arm. As far as the bad guy, fuck, shit happens.
Fact of the matter is that shit didn't need to happen. We could have had an outcome where the client doesn't get fried and we get the perp if you had just fucking listened to me. You ask for help, then I can... What now? I made
c'est le
the
break
calls,
room.
not you.
Here's some advice. You're right at home behind that desk because you're no hero. You were a nerd playing a video game in a suit your daddy built. Now you're a twitchy little bitch on the shelf. A real hero puts their ass on the line. A real hero can't just press a button and make their problems disappear.
The suit isn't what made me a superhero. It was how I did my fucking job that made me Mecha Man. Based on what I saw today, you wouldn't last a day as Mecha Man. Because there isn't a mech suit in the universe that'll keep you from being a selfish
Ah
fucking
bah oui.
asshole.
Aïe 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 aïe. Est-ce qu'il y avait une bonne réponse là-dedans? Bah oui, 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 elle a de quoi être énervée, oui. Moi justement, je voulais lui faire comprendre qu'il... Bah oui.
Feel bad. Good. Fuck you.
Ouf. Ok. Deserved. Franchement, mérité.
You gonna eat those Twinks?
That's not what they're... You know what? Help yourself.
Ah.
What?
Être désobéi par un Visi-Meuf.
Here we go.
You have a tissue hanging from your nose, Robert. I was trying to ignore it, but that became impossible when it started
l'air est sec.
soaking in blood.
I get nosebleeds when it's this dry. The air in the office, it's on the dry side.
Is it on the dry side? I'll have facilities look into it. All right, boys. We're here to assess Robert's first shift, and aside from whatever happened here, I thought it was pretty good.
What? Told you, Robbie.
I was watching on the monitor. The work you did dispatching. I don't think the Z-Team has ever had a better shift than that.
We just might need to confront the fact that it might be the best they can do. Especially the way the Granny thing went.
Yeah, now the Granny situation, that wasn't ideal. But I've seen so much worse with Invisigal.
Let's be real. She ain't gonna make it.
She's difficult to work with, sure. But I see a lot of promise in her. Really. Even the other Z-Teamers respect her.
They're afraid of her.
I should have done better. Maybe a couple wires got crossed toward the end there. I could have been a little more clear with her.
You crossed 0 wires, okay? She crossed them for you.
Look, Robert, you should be proud. The bar is very low with this group.
Well, it's not low for me.
Bah oui.
Look, I like to make a joke and keep things light as much as the next person. But when it comes to work, I'm not fucking around here. If you want the Phoenix program to survive, the bar needs to go up.
And how would we do that?
By treating the Z-Team like what they are, a bunch of villains. And leading a supervillain team takes a different approach than a superhero team. I need to be around them. I need them to see I'm all in and to match that energy.
Some tough love.
The only kind I know. And based on what I've seen, the only version they'll respond to. I'm not saying everyone will make it. They won't. I'm not saying it won't get spicy. It will. But when it does, I also need you to trust me to handle it. I don't want you stepping in. They need to respect me, even if I don't have powers.
Bien sûr. Le terrain.
We'll do it your way. Monday, we'll get them in a room and introduce them to their new supervillain leader.
I can't promise it'll work. I can only promise that I'll do my best.
No
As always.
But it'll be way more fun.
C'est ce que j'ai dit sur 10, je fais mon mieux, on fait son mieux.
God damn it. Yeah, I also promise to do my best.
Hey, kid.
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah. No. I did this. It's weird because I saw this lady, smiling lady, person put a donut on your desk earlier, previously, and it was nicely on a napkin. But then she comes back and she just crazy, like the evil mode, and smashed the same donut.
What a mess.
We'll clean it.
What? No.
No, yes. See, I'm SDN's newest. He
Hero?
Helpful janitor.
Okay. Cool.
So, it's my pleasure, and it's my job. Which
Oh là là. Il est moist Waterboy. Hein.
So much.
Happy to help.
It's Friday. I'm not gonna ask. You headed out?
Oh, yeah, great. Thanks, kid.
Welcome to the team, Waterboy.
Yeah, welcome to you. You too.
Lui... Oh! Je m'y attendais pas. Je me demande s'il va pas mal tourner celui-là. Faut qu'on soit sympa avec lui.
I wouldn't do that to you.
That's good to know.
Bah oui, je veux juste faire bien. C'est mes petits.
I'm really glad you're here, Robert. I think we're going to do some great things together.
Hey, look, I really appreciate you setting this up. It's exactly what I need right now, and
C'est vrai.
it'll get me that much more excited to be back out there.
Actually, there's something I've been meaning to tell you.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little awkward to mention, but since the other night,
Blonde Blazer.
Qu'est-ce qu'il veut celui-là? Il est complètement con.
Are you ready to go?
Tiens, j'ai bien fait. J'ai bien fait de rien faire avec elle.
I thought I'd cataloged all of your work companions.
Robert, this is my boyfriend, Phenomeman.
Phenomeman.
Dispatcher I was telling you about. Robert?
The third Robert Robertson, leader of the Phoenixes. Blonde Blazer told me about you.
Really?
J'ai bien fait de rien faire.
I don't know. What What came up in that talk?
She said you're a capable, honorable man that truly cares for others. Why are
Tout à
you
fait
so
moi.
small?
Hey, come on.
Oh là là.
The way you spoke of him made him
Elle a
sound
l'air con,
impressive.
putain.
I only seek to understand. I apologize. How was his first day? Was his lack of size and strength an issue?
No, he was great. It was great. It was a great first day.
That is phenomenal. We should celebrate. Blonde Blazer and I have reservations in Tokyo at a restaurant where the owner dreams of sushi. You should join us.
À Tokyo, mais vraiment. Oui, je dois aller m'occuper de mon chien.
Like this.
Actually, I gotta get home to my dog. He's very needy.
Oh, of course. And to be responsible for another life is a beautiful thing. Even if that life is a dog life.
Yeah, right.
Avec plaisir, mon petit. Oh là là, mais vraiment, le clicheton, quoi.
He flies a little faster.
It was very nice to meet you, Third Robert Robertson.
A pleasure was...
Now, could you...
Third
step
Robert
back?
Robertson.
The power of my launch has been known to stun small beings. Phenomenal.
Il est un sup. C'est pas un mauvais boug, mais putain qu'il est bête. Fin d'épisode. J'aime bien. Il est bien ce jeu. Très très bien. Très. Très très bien ce jeu, j'aime beaucoup beaucoup. Aaron Paul. Ok. C'est pour ça que c'est des bonnes voix aussi. Des acteurs. Rhys. Alors les choix, qu'est-ce que j'ai fait? 93% des joueurs. Bah bien sûr, un petit check à Royd. Je suis pas une Pookie, moi. Mais oui, simple. Pour les donuts glacés. Eh oui, on est nombreux à ne pas proposer de date à Aurore et on a bien fait. Et 89% des gens ont refusé d'aller avec eux. Alright. 37% des joueurs seulement qui laissent Sonar et que ça se passe bien. Ok. Je pense qu'on est plus nombreux que ça. Alors, c'est Sonar que j'ai le plus envoyé. Et j'ai fait mieux que 20% des joueurs pendant cette journée. Alright, et là je peux revoir les stats. Trop bien. Trop bien. Trop cool. Franchement, j'adore ce jeu. Il est très chouette. Très chouette. Putain, bravo les gars.